Hey, I'm Tom from Team ProCycle, and today with the TW200 build we're going to be installing a set of Acerbis X-Factor handguards. We chose the X-Factor handguards based on the amount of protection that they offer, and we just think they look great. To get this installation process started, you're going to need a 5mm and a 4mm Allen key and a sharp utility knife. Rolling along, go ahead and carefully remove the ends of your grips, exposing the end of the bars if you haven't done so already. When you purchase any set of Acerbis handguards from us, there will be these little aluminum adapters in there that work with 7/8 and 1 1/8 handlebars. If you look here at the image on the left, you'll see the inserts are thicker, and those are for the 7/8 handlebars. The ones on the right are tapered to accommodate the taper in the 1 1/8 bar. This is where you'll go ahead and insert your aluminum shims into the bar mount section. Now we're going to be installing what we're going to call the inner bar spacer. Go ahead and mount this loosely. If you notice when you have yours, they kind of have like a little bit of like a C shape to them. It's your preference if you want them up or down, kind of depends on how your cables are routed. Next, we're going to pre-install the bar end anchor. Go ahead and loosely fasten that together where it kind of cinches into itself, but not too tight where it starts to expand it. Now that you've successfully installed your bar end anchor onto your impact bar, slip that into the bar and loosely start fastening everything together. Now this is where you'll want to go ahead and make your final adjustments. At ProCycle, we like to have our handguards almost level with the ground. Our logic behind this is that if, say, you were to hit a tree upon impact, it has less of a chance to deflect up or down. Remember, when you get to the throttle side of your handlebar, you want to make sure that the throttle tube is not contacting, or your grip is not contacting, the actual handguard itself. Once both sides have been adjusted, you can use this time to go ahead and tighten everything down, or you can wait like we did and install your plastic covers first. This is a pretty straightforward process. There's only going to be 3 screws that you'll need and your 4mm Allen key. Alright, congratulations, you've successfully installed a set of Acerbis handguards. If you haven't done so already, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to our newsletter, follow us on Facebook, and thanks for stopping by, and remember, the adventure begins here.